Sige. Ito yung malalim no? Yun tangin na. Makalso
Galing Cebu itong unit natin na to. Ang dami niyang gasgas, ang dami niyang swirl marks. May makakalmot pa ng pusa. Siguro dahil sa pagdala dito, transfer ba? Mula ba Cebu hanggang dito sa Calamba. Medyo bago pa naman yung unit, kaya nga napakadaming gasgas. Yung hood parang kinalmot na hindi mo maintindihan Pero sabi ko sa mayari, gagawa naman natin ang paraan. Hindi lang ako nangangako kasi ayoko mapahiya, baka hindi natin matanggal. Pero tingnan natin kung ano kaya natin gawin. Okay, kaya ito.
Gasgas ng kalmot ng pusa dami yun yun na sobra dito yung kalmot ng pusa
bukas na malahata
oo
karas pa tayo
My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. Yeah, ooh. My life be like, yeah, ooh. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs or when I stray, yeah, well, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, I'm more feelings, I be more like you. Yeah, not to put your fire with the things I do. I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded. Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones of clouds and bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine. Spinning in monsoon and grinning this high octane. Explosive how I came. Rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat surround the castle. Stay afloat. Catch a second wind thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running, wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me, my behavior had me lost in light speed. Times like these that make me say